Welcome to my channel. In this video we talk about organic chemistry. We focus on nomenclature of hydrocarbons, and now there are alkynes. We are on naming and defining their structure formula. Alkynes contain at least one carbon to carbon triple bond, so they have general formula CnH2n-2. Their names end with -ine, YNE. Here in this table, at the left hand side, molecular formula of the compounds are given, and in the central column, name of the alkyne compounds are given, and at the right hand side column, the structure formula are given. The first compound, which is C2H2, this compound is ethine. It is generally named as acetylene. Here the two carbon atoms are bonded to each other by triple bond CH, triple bond CH. Look at the second compound, that is C3H4. This compound is called propyne, and here you can see that three carbon atoms are arranged, but there is a triple bond between first carbon and the second carbon atom. So CH triple bond C and then CH3. The third compound is C4H6. This compound is called butane. Here the four carbon atoms are attached to each other. There is this triple bond between carbon 1 and carbon 2, and then CH2 and CH3 group are present on the chain. And now the naming rules for the alkynes. Number 1, identify the identify the longest chain containing the triple bond. Number 2, number the chain from one end which is nearest to the triple bond. And number 3, indicate the position of the triple bond. For example, 2-butane or 1-butane. The structure is given for 1-butane. Here in this structure you can see that a triple bond is present between the carbon 1 and carbon 2. Now we are at the summary about the hydrocarbon nomenclature. We have mastered the nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, and so we summarize it as alkanes. They contain single bond and the name end with ANE. And number 2 is alkene. Their compounds comprise double bond, at least one double bond, and their name end with -ene. And number 3 is alkynes. They contain triple bond in their molecules, and their name end with YNE. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more chemistry tutorials. Keep exploring the wonders of science. See you in the next video. This is Simplified Chemistry, and the channel is the MSCAM.
Wow.